introducing earlier access to the YouTube Partner Program.
And this is great news. Announced by YouTube itself, they are now lowering the bar of entry for new channels to YouTube. What that means is, instead of like we used to be before, or when my channel got monetized, was that you had to have 1,000 subscribers at least for the last 365 days and 4,000 watch hours at least for the last 365 days. Or otherwise was the other part that you had 10 million views with shorts. Now that is no longer the case. Well, the whole difference here is that you cannot be monetized by the ads. Now, instead, you will have access to some sort of monetization, which I would call it more like peer-to-peer monetization, meaning that you can now have your shop or store in your YouTube channel, and as you see here, you have available super chats, super thanks, and super stickers, which are all money or donations. So meaning, with the new requirements, if you have at least 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours, and at least 3 public videos, long-term videos, you are eligible to apply. You can go live, and if people donate to you, even though you don't have 1,000 subscribers, you're still good to go. And as they announced today with the super stickers and all that stuff, this makes it really good. And another point of this one is the creator support, which for monetized channels, we already have it. If we go to the studio, you'll see that I can click here on the side, right here, I can click this chat with creator support, and I can get direct in contact with somebody from YouTube. Now you, without having all the subscribers and all that stuff that was required before, you have access to the same stuff, except for the ads. Now, ads are not included. You still do not get paid for advertisements, so ads will not be played most likely on your videos, but now you have a way to get paid by people buying your subscription or joining to your channel, people donating through super chats, super thanks, and super stickers. And in my opinion, this is absolutely amazing. Plus, you can have your Spring store or Teespring, whatever you call that, and have your products already featured and have the join button and all the good stuff that regular YouTubers used to have after 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And I think this is a great idea that they had to lower the bar a little bit so more people have a chance. And this, in my opinion, adds more as an incentive for smaller channels to now engage in more activity in YouTube, make more videos, increase their content quality to reach this part here, because now they have their feet wet just a little bit with a super thanks, super chats, super stickers, storefront, and all that good stuff. Now they're not far away from this part right here to get monetized with AdSense, which is beautiful. 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours are not as hard as you actually might think. You just have to keep working on it and don't expect videos to blow up right away to say that, oh, I uploaded and I have only 3 viewers. That's not a big deal. Share it on your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, whatever other medias you have. Share it with your grocery store clerk. Tell them you have a YouTube. Why not? Subscribe to your channel. That's how you collect people to follow you. If you do good content, actually you'll have a good name amongst your peers too. There's nothing wrong with that. Spreading the word of mouth. It has worked historically, and it still works today, and it will forever work that way. So, don't be discouraged. Open a YouTube channel, or if you already have a small YouTube channel, dedicate a little bit more time to the videos. Don't expect that you're gonna be a master level right away in the first week, but you'll be very surprised how much more masterful you will feel in a year having a YouTube channel. And yes, my YouTube channel was opened on the June 13th, 2022. 1 year ago. Sharp 1 year ago. And today, yes, I'm monetized and it's not being Mr. Beast level, but I have faith and I have patience and I think it will go somewhere. And with that said, I hope you do great. I hope your YouTube channel gets even better than mine. And we'll see you next time. Bye!